Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kia J and I am back with another luxury haul. I am so excited about this video because this bag has been on my wish list since forever. And I follow a lot of fashion bloggers. I follow a lot of those Instagram styling pages. And I've been seeing everyone with this bag, but there's so many styles of the bag and I was undecided. So today I'm going to show you guys my Jacquemus handbag. I absolutely love this bag. When I seen this bag, I instantly wanted it. So I'm so glad that I got a chance to get this bag. These bags come in so many styles, so many colors, and I'm just in love with the styling color. I did get this as a Mother's Day gift, and I was actually lucky to get it because that site usually only has limited quantities. So this is how it comes. Doesn't come in a box, it comes in a dust bag. The dust bag is like a muslin cloth dust bag, and this is the bag, y'all. This bag is so pretty. I love her. I love the color. I love the style. I love the size. I just love everything about this bag. It is so pretty. Before we get into the review, I want to thank Dossier for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with them in the past and I absolutely love their scents. Their scents are inspired by top designers, with many starting at around $19. Like this scent right here, Powdery Hawthorn, which is inspired by Tom Ford's Metalique. Woody Tabasco, inspired by Mason Margiela's Replica Jazz Club. Aquatic Coconut, inspired by Mason Margiela's Replica Beach Walk. And the scent here, Fruity Honey, inspired by Jo Malone's Nectarine Blossom and Honey. Their scents are vegan and cruelty-free, and they do not contain parabens. I'll leave the link below so you can check them out. So this is the Le Chiquito Moyen. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is one of the smaller bags, so it really just doesn't fit a lot in here. So if you are out for a very long time, this is not the bag for you. This is a fashion bag, and basically it's just going to carry your essentials and nothing else, girl. So when I got the bag, it did come, the strap didn't come with the bag. This is suede and the color is orange. So the suede material is what I really fell in love with, because to be honest, a lot of my bags are either black. I have Louis Vuitton bags. They're the Louis Vuitton print, and I only have one other color bag, which is my red Chanel bag. So this is my second color bag, and honestly, I will definitely build my Jacquemus collection because, one, their bags are not that expensive. You can get a Jacquemus handbag under $800. So this is a great bag to build a collection with if you're a person who is looking to build color into your collection. And they have so many different styles. So if you're buying, for me, I like to buy, well, I don't know, I guess I'm into luxury sneakers right now. I like buying luxury sneakers, so I'll definitely match the bag to my sneakers because I just love the way it looks, the way I wear sneakers and handbags. So if you're watching this video for reference, I'll show you everything that fits in the bag. Right now I have a very, very, very small hand lotion. This is like one of the free lotions that you get at the hotel. Then I have my YSL card holder, and I use this for every single bag because it fits everything. And then I have my keys, and barely fits a lip gloss. Now, this is how everything fits in the bag, and I watched some videos and I couldn't really get an idea of what all fit in the bag. So this is all that fits in the bag. Now, even though the side of the bag like expands a little bit, and you might feel like you can add something else into this bag, it's not possible. And the reason for that is because the bag has to sit at a triangle in order to close with the magnetic clasp. And what I noticed is if I overstuff the bag does not stay closed. So literally that is all that fits on this bag. And I've been wearing this bag crossbody, But I definitely, if I decided that I wanted to, you know, go out, get cute, and wear something cute where crossbody was too dressed down for the style that I wanted, I could just wear it just like this. So you can just hold it, be like, hey girl, how you doing? So that I do like about the bag. Now, where is my phone? So the other thing is I have an iPhone 13 Pro. This phone does not fit in this bag. So I'll just show you guys what the phone looks like in the bag. And like I mentioned, you cannot overstuff this bag, which is a reason why the phone just doesn't fit in the bag. So even just trying, I can't get the phone inside the bag. So with this bag, mainly what I've been doing, because I've been wearing it urban style, meaning that I've been wearing it with like sneakers and sweatpants or like a bodysuit, I usually always have pockets, so I've been able to put my phone in a pocket. So I'm taking everything out the bag, and as you can see, the phone still does not fit in the bag. And let's just take my phone off the case. Again, the phone kind of fits in the bag, but you still wouldn't be able to close it. So if you're a person who carrying a phone is an absolute must, this is not the bag for you. But for me, I'm gonna wear a cute bag no matter what, even if I have to hold my phone in my hand, and I like this bag. The other thing I really love about these bags is that they do go on sale. You know, some designers, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, they will never go on sale. This bag does go on sale, so I do appreciate that. I've even seen this style, not this exact bag, because sometimes the bag might go on sale, but a different color may not be on sale. So for example, they may have a green Le Chiquito Moyen bag that might be like $400, and this bag, same bag, might be original price. So the bag will be linked in the description box, and I do receive a small commission, so make sure you click that link if you are interested in purchasing.